All right, today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the iJoy massage chair. That's taken right here. So basically the iJoy massage chair is exactly, what it says in the title. It's a massage chair. It's a full-size massage chair, as you can see here. This down here is actually the ottoman. This is separate. It usually doesn't come along with the massage chair when you buy it. So we're just going to go ahead and review the massage chair this time. Let's have a look. So the massage chair, it's pretty big. Again, it's a full-size chair. So if you have an overstuffed chair at home, this is basically the same size as that. So I'm about 5'11", 200 pounds, and I fit in it just fine. So if you happen to be bigger than that, it should probably work. I guess if you get into like maybe the 300 pounds or 6'3", then I kind of feel like it would still work for you. Because again, it's not really a small chair by any means. This chair, it's made with some kind of microfiber or felt. As you can see here, it's kind of soft and smooth. It feels kind of like it might be suede, but I'm not too sure about that. What I do know is it's pretty durable and it's pretty easy to clean. So it's kind of like a leather type material. This one down here, it feels more like maybe microfiber, but it comes in different colors. I decided to go and get the brown color. I used to have a black one. I kind of like that one too, but brown is the only color they had available. I've also seen like a blue chair, black, tan. That's all that I can remember off the top of my head. Be sure to click the link and then you can check to see if there are any other colors that you might like. So as far as the controls go, this is the control panel right here. So this is the power button. This allows you to move the chair, recline it all the way back into maybe like a lay down position. And this pulls it up into more of an erect position. This right here is adjusting the rollers, the massage rollers. This is the different types of massage that you can have with the chair running. This one's usually my favorite. This one's pretty good too, percussion. Just be aware that it's actually really strong. So when you first start using this one, it actually kind of hurts a little bit, but hurts in a good way. So you'll just end up kind of getting used to it. And then as the machine moves, rolls up and down your back, you can have it roll full length or just the upper or just the lower. Different variations of this chair also have a different control panel. So this one doesn't have an audio input. Some of them do, where you can hook up like an iPod or something like that here. This one doesn't have it. This other control that you see here is for the ottoman. Again, that's going to be a separate video. That generally does not get included with the iJoy chair, but that's the remote. Again, that's not for this chair. So the way that it works is it has these rollers in here. You can kind of see it protruding a little bit right here. So we'll go ahead and unzip it. So that's what it looks like unzipped, and the only reason you would be unzipping this is if you're doing a video and you want to take a look at it, like what we're doing now, or if you want to place more of a cushion in there. Because again, this machine is really strong, which I like, but sometimes I guess some folks, maybe it's too strong, so you can kind of put a cushion in between there and your back and then zip it back up, and that way it's not as much of a firm or hard massage on you. So let's go ahead and have a look. So first we'll go ahead and use the kneading. So you can see it kind of going back and forth on the top and on the bottom, and there's 4 points that's moving back and forth on. And then we'll do the rolling. So basically all the rolling does is it still does the kneading, but it rolls up and down your back. So now it's moved pretty low down, all the way into the lower back. You can't see it. We'll just pull it right back up. So again, here it comes rolling right back up. I'm pressing the fabric so that way you can see what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and turn off the rolling, and then we'll do compression. So compression looks, as you can see, it's moving in unison back and forth. Percussion. So this is percussion. So it's basically punching you in the back rapidly. This is one of my favorite functions. So those are the three main massage functions for this chair. I'll go ahead and zip this back up. So, like I said before, some of these chairs have an audio input here. This one doesn't have it. If you end up buying one that has an audio input, the speaker is going to be right here. So you can actually hear the music. I guess some people might use this as like a gaming chair. So if that's the case, then you would have two speakers right here. This one doesn't have it. This is just like some sort of material here, but it's not a speaker. So let's go ahead and have a look at it when it's reclining. All right, so as you can see, it lays down almost horizontally. So it reclines all the way back. And let's go ahead and recline it forward. Okay, so that's the most that it's going to recline forward. It looks like it's basically almost a 90-degree angle here. All right, so down here you can see that there is a power outlet right there. So if you need to plug something in, it looks like as long as it's less than 100 watts, then you can plug it in on the side once your chair has actually been plugged in as well. As far as the outlet goes, it's just a regular outlet. So as you can see, I just have it plugged in right here. So you're gonna need a 3-prong plug, as you can see right here. So that way it can be grounded. So yeah, this is a pretty good chair, especially for the price. I've actually sat in the $3,000, $4,000 chairs at places like the Sharper Image, and those chairs are nice, but they're just definitely not as strong as this one. For whatever reason, they made this one really strong when it's massaging you. And if you like a firm, really hard massage, this is probably the one for you. Again, those $3,000 chairs look really cool, really futuristic, but for the price point on this one, they just can't beat the strength of it. I guess the only downfall for it would be nice if there was some sort of a massage portion somewhere down here around on your legs, like your thighs, but this one doesn't have that. But if your back or your upper back are one of your points that you're looking for, this is a good chair. Anyhow, so thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to click the description for more information or to check the most recent price, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again.